we talk about the restoration process, the number one thing is inspection. When you pick a contractor, your contractor should be coming out to your home and completing a thorough inspection of the entire home. Yeah. Many companies now use technology such as DocuSketch to take pictures and get a complete outlay of your home. In an event like this, when we're talking about fire, that inspection should include the attic. They should be getting up and looking at the insulation. Many contractors will come in and have what's known as a chem sponge, a sponge that can show you that there's soot and ash in certain areas of the home. As this is happening, I recommend that you as the owner or the tenant are asking as many questions as you possibly can going through the process. What we find with contractors is they've seen it and done it so many times that they sometimes forget that the person's home that they're in, this is their first time. Don't hold that against them, but ask as many questions as you can, because that's your time with them. You've invited them into your home, into your property. That is your time to ask questions. You've done all the research. Ask away and ask away. Once that inspection's done, you as the owner, you as a tenant should be receiving a written scope of work. That scope of work should outline all of the work areas that the contractor is going to be working in, the type of equipment they're going to be using in your home or in your business, the amount of people that they're going to have in your home of business, and ultimately the timeline that it's going to take to complete the job based upon damage of the home. Once that work's completed, we like to have a final walkthrough to ensure that you feel satisfied with the work completed in your home. Because if that scope of work wasn't met, you as the owner have the right to tell your contractor to do it again. Once that final walk is done and you, owner, tenant, feel that the job's been done completely, we'll be looking to get a certificate of satisfaction signed. That's us telling each other that we did a good job. So that's really the restoration process. It seems simple, seems quick, but it is not. The restoration process is slow and sometimes painful, but at the end of the day, if it's done right, it gets you back into your property in a timely manner.